Selling on BigIron.com March 4th, 2015. 1974 International 1066 Turbo Tractor. With 4,149 hours showing. It has an 8 forward and 4 reverse gear transmission plus TA, a 6.8-liter 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine. The rear tires are 18.4-38 and the front tires are 10.0-16. It has a 150 dyno tested horsepower, 2 hydraulics, drawbar hitch, 3-point, a 540 and 1000 PTO, a cab, dual spacers, and please note the shredder and duals are selling separately on this auction. For more information, call Rex at 402-366-2847. Thank you for visiting BigIron.com.